Welcome to the Swiss Smart Factory, a place where we test and build the future of the industry. This year, over 50 companies joined the Lighthouse project Industry 4.0. The goal is to build a fully functional and interconnected production ecosystem. Every video we make will show you a topic of this project, a part of the ecosystem. You will see the next generation solution in technologies for your digital evolution and how it could affect your company. My name is Michael Wendling, and today we will speak about smart storage solution. Every year, products get better, more specific to the client needs. In that case, manufacturer will have to react faster on a demanding market. For that, they have to store parts and tools to build this product faster. All these parts and tools a company needs are called assets. And with more assets, logistics gets more complicated. When a company has 10, 20 or more different product configurations, having an overview of your asset is essential to keep your production running smoothly. The same for the tools. Knowing what tools are where and being able to trust the condition of any device you need to assemble the products will make your production more resilient. So this is where smart storage comes in. I will take the Lighthouse project Industry 4.0 as an example. In that case, we will build different variants of a drone. Our assets are engines, propellers and electronic parts. Some we produce ourselves, some are provided by suppliers. To manage all those parts, we use Bossard Smart Locker. It contains all the assembly pieces neatly separated in these bins. But what is smart about it? Well, every part of the Smart Locker has scales that keep tracks of what is happening to our assets. Every bin has a weight sensor. The locker door senses when you close it. And all the information transmits to Bossard online platform ARIMS. So every time the door gets used, all the bins are weighted and the system can give you an exact sum of the parts still in the locker. I can then make sure that all the assets for the assembly are in stock, right on my smartphone. So that's the parts. What about the tools? We use a toolbox made by Bridge Rigger that holds high-precision tools from Silvac. Here too, a smart digital solution is managing our assets. The Gelix IoT platform gives access to a specific drawer with the tools the person in front of it wants to retrieve. It keeps tracks of when someone accesses and takes the instrument, who takes it, and when he returns it. That's all great actually, but thanks to digitalization and the interconnectivity, the options are always growing. Imagine this, the Smart Locker not just tells me that the stock is depleting, but the system knows when to order more of the asset before that happens. Or let's go one further. Instead of ordering new assets, in our case, it might tell our 3D printer farm to create the assets that is depleting. A self-containing production cycle. Transparent and efficient storage is critical in smart factory environments. The two solutions show us how processes that are mostly paper-based today can be digitized and connected. Thanks to the company involved in this project and for providing us the smart storage solution. This was our point of view on how to manage your asset within your company. Next time we will speak about assistance system for the manual working station. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.